making all that noise? It's you. It's you. Who's that making all that noise? It's you. It's you. L-Y-D-I-A. L-Y-D-I-A. I'm singing about you. What do you think? Oh, you're going to tell me about today. Where'd you go? And who did you see? Yeah, Jackson was at Mimi's. Do you miss your family? Who do you miss? Everybody. Everybody. Do you miss your grandparents? Yeah. Do you miss your cousins? Yeah. Aunt Allison and Aunt Pam. Uncle Andrew, Uncle Mike and Lulu. Aww. Well, what would you say to them if they were here? Oh, what else? You say, I miss you. Say, I love you. Say, come on, you can do it. Say, say, good girl. Say it one more time. Now say, I love you. Bye-bye.